If salvation is by grace, you can't lose it. Now, if salvation is based on human works, then you can lose it. When you say that I have received Christ into my heart and I'm saved, and then I sin, then I lose my salvation, and I have to receive Christ again, that is not grace, that is work. That is salvation by works. Others might not think about this, but it's true. We Baptist people have always been called in the past as a slaughterhouse religion because we firmly believe in the shed blood of Jesus Christ. The death and the sacrificial death of Christ on the cross is the very focus of what salvation is. Ang kayan ng ating Panginoon sa krus ng Kalbaryo at ang pagkabuhos ng kanyang dugo sa krus ng Kalbaryo ang pinaka-importante sa lahat upang tayo ay maligtas.